Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell gift box bundles on your Shopify store. Hi there, my name is Jure from NeatMerchant. Selling gift boxes on Shopify can seem harder than it should be. That's mainly because every gift box you sell is basically a unique product and it's hard to manage those through Shopify. There are two main approaches that you can take to sell gift boxes on Shopify and that I usually see store owners do. First approach is doing everything manually. That would be communicating with customers through WhatsApp, email, SMS, doesn't matter, communicating all the available quantities, all the different rules you have. Maybe you allow these products to be bundled with these products, but you don't allow some other products to go to the same gift box or stuff like that. As you can see, this product is not very scalable. It's quite cumbersome actually. You need to physically answer to every email, every phone call, every message, and basically sell every gift box one by one. Other better approach is doing it automatically tracking quantities, automatically showing customers which products they can and can't add, automatically showing which pairs of products can go in a gift box, which pairs can't, stuff like that. To be able to sell gift boxes automatically, you need to have some kind of solution implemented on your store that will allow customers to basically build their own bundles, build their own gift boxes. There are two ways you can go about building the solution. You can either pay a developer or you can use an app. In some cases, it makes sense to pay a developer if the app is very, very expensive or something like that. But in most of the cases, using an existing app that allows you to have some build your gift box experience is going to be much quicker and much cheaper. In this tutorial particularly, I'm going to be showing you how to use this app. It's called the NeatBundles Easy Mix and Match. It's basically a mix and match, build your own bundle app, which allows you to create an interface like this nice widget that basically allows your customers to go through this, pick the product that they want to include in their gift box, go step by step. You can enforce rules on every step. You can limit which products they can and can't select, how many of them they can select, and all the stuff like that. So let's start by creating this gift box experience. First thing you need to do is you need to go and install this app. You will have the link down in the description. So once you're here, just click install. This will open the installation flow like with every other app you installed. Okay, once you install the app, you can close this widget. There are a few things we need to do to set up the app. First thing we need to do is to follow these steps and create a new product template. You can read more about how to do it here. You can just follow me. So once you click this create template button, this page opens up, and here you need to click here, then click here, then click to create a template. So here we are basically creating the template that will define how our bundle pages look like. You can name it however you want, but make sure it's something descriptive because you will need it later. Okay, so I named mine gift box template. I can click create template. That will create the template. I can now close this tab. I can go back here. Then I need to click this refresh button, and then I need to make sure to select the gift box template like this. Once that is done, we go to the second step. For the second step, we just need to click add to theme. This will open up theme editor and automatically add NeatBundles block to this template. On the first step, we created our template that defines how gift box bundle pages looks like, and then on the second step, we connected NeatBundles with that template so that the layout of the template can be controlled by the app and that the app can display that nice widget that we saw on the first step. There's just one quick thing I want to do. I want to hide this related product section and this product information section because I don't want to show them on gift box pages. I only want to show NeatBundles section. Once that is done, I can just click save. Once that is done, you can click on verify and you should see this message here. You can read it or close it, and you should be on this page here. When we are on this page here, we can start creating our first bundle. So we click create bundle button and let's open this thing here. Here we need to select which type of bundle we want to create. So in this video, we're going to just select gift box, then we go next. Then we need to enter the name of our bundle. So you can type anything you want, but make sure it's something descriptive because your customers will see this. So make sure to enter something that makes sense. Okay, so I entered the gift box bundle. That's going to be okay for now. You can always change it later, of course. You click on next. Then we need to select the discount. So pretty much all gift boxes and bundles have some kind of discount. Let's stick with 15% for now. You can always change it later. You can of course even remove the discount, but it's usually best to have some kind of discount. We click on finish, and that brings us to this page here. So once we are here, we need to start adding our steps for our gift box. So every gift box, or pretty much every bundle inside this app, is made of multiple steps, and the steps are basically these things here. Each step can have some individual settings like which products can be selected on step and stuff like that. Let's start creating our first step. You can of course type anything you want, but make sure it's something descriptive because your customers will see it. So this is the step title and the description will be shown under. If you don't enter the description, it's not required, it won't be shown. For my case, I'm gonna enter this title and this description because I'm gonna be recreating this bundle. So basically, even before you start building your gift box, you need to have some kind of idea how you wanna set up the layout. In my case, on the first step, I'm asking the customer to select the packaging for the gift box. On the second step, I'm asking them to select the products that are gonna end up in the gift box. And on the third step, I'm asking them to enter the thank you letter, thank you note for the person that's receiving the gift box. So once I have this entered, I can click create step. That brings me to this page here. On this page, there are a couple of settings you can play with. The most important for now is this select products button. We can click on it. It will open this picker here. And here we are going to choose the products that we want to display on the first step here. Once you are happy with the products you selected for the first step, you can click on select and then you can just save. Once that is done, you can go back and we will now start creating the second step. To create the second step, we again click the add step button, input the title and description. Once you are happy with yours, click create step. We get redirected to this page again. We click on select products again. And now we are selecting the products that we want to show on the second step. Once you're happy with the products you selected, you can just click save. Before we go back from this page, there are two more things we want to play with here. So once we scroll down, there's an option called rules. Here we can configure how many products a customer can select on this step. In my case, I don't want to allow them to select between 1 and 3 products because having only 1 product inside the bundle is too little. I want to require them to have between 3 and 4 products to make the bundle bigger, to increase the average order value and all that good stuff. Once that is done, we're gonna go back. We are now gonna quickly go back to the first step by clicking edit, and we are gonna change something on it. So we are gonna scroll down to rules and set the minimum and maximum to be 1. Then we can click save. That will basically make it so that customers are required to select only 1 packaging on the first step and between 3 or 4 products on the second step. Once all of that is done, we can go back. Once we are back here, we need to add the last step. As you saw previously, the gift box from the start has 3 steps. So first one requires us to select the packaging, then we click next. Second one requires us to select the products that go to the packaging, and the third one requires us to input who is this gift box for, who is sending it, and the message. We can add that step by clicking include personalization step. This data is good for me, so I'm gonna keep it. You can customize it, of course, to your need. Once you're happy, we click add step. After that, we are redirected to these pages. As you can see, we automatically have 3 input fields added. You can, of course, customize them. You can edit the placeholders, stuff like that. Once that is done, we can go back. Okay, when we are back here, there's only one thing left to do, and that's setting the visibility from draft to active. So we need to click here, select to active, and then click save. After that, it should say active here, and then when we click this link beyond storefront, it should open the gift box page, and as you can see, it's pretty much done. We have the 3 steps that we created. On the first step, we are required to select 1 product, then we can go next. On the second step, we are required to select 3 products, we go next. On the third step, we are required to fill in the input fields, and then we can click finish. As you can see, all the different products got bundled together into our gift box. As you can see, all the products are here. Let's now quickly fill in the data to checkout so I can show you how this data gets saved in the checkout. Okay, so I inputted all the data. I click on pay now. If we now go back to the admin, and if we go back here to orders, we will see this new order. If we open it up, we will see that it contains all the products. If we expand the description to one of the products, we will see a bunch of this data that was collected by the NeatBundles app. The only piece of data you want to worry about is hidden under the personalization data. So you see that for the from field we inputted this, for the to field we inputted this, and for the message we inputted this. Here are all the different products. As you can see, this product is part of the gift box, this one as well, and it all looks nice. You can now use this to package the gift box and send it to your customer. That was it for this tutorial. If you want to maybe customize this page to make it look closer to the page from the beginning, there will be a link down in the description to the tutorial. If you maybe want to add a link to this page somewhere in your store, maybe on your homepage, to enable your customers to find this page more easily without you needing to explicitly share the link, for example, on your TikTok page, there will be a link to that tutorial as well. Thanks for watching, bye bye.